because Manipal food is little less diverse, I would say.
I think it's more peaceful here.
I used to jump around from group to group because I wouldn't find the people that I mingled with more.
Or anything else.
Kayaking, you guys went, no?
It is very easy to bargain if we know the language. And
Otherwise, this is a very good place. It has become a home itself.
जो भाषा का जो है ना वो उन लोग को नहीं आता. हम लोग व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है हमारा.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि जो भी आइटम मिल जाता है तो हम लोग ग्रुप में डाल देता है.
People here are more grounded and rooted, and students from Manipal are a little.
Chaats and chola bhaturas or the North Indian cuisine. South Indian cuisine is amazing, but
And also clean is very well.
okay.
So campus clean is very well.
In our last video, we asked people what do they think about Manipal, how life of people is here at Manipal. So today, we are going to dig deeper and we will know what people miss after coming to Manipal, and do they find Manipal clean? Do they miss their friends? Is it easier to even make friends in Manipal? Do they feel lonely? And also, why the auto price is so expensive? So jokes apart, today we are going to uncover the emotional and social side of Manipal.
I'm Shabana, I'm from Chhattisgarh. We are architecture students.
I'm Kaushani, I'm from Kolkata.
What do you miss about your hometown after coming back to Manipal?
Mostly the food. Because Manipal food is
yeah.
little less diverse, I would say.
Anything else that is there in your hometown which Manipal doesn't have or it cannot replace?
Our friends,
yeah,
probably
friends.
old and our family members.
Yeah.
But other than that, Manipal has almost everything we need. All
Anything
the
as a
facilities.
town that Manipal should have, which your hometown has but Manipal doesn't?
I think it's more peaceful here in Manipal.
Maybe better transport
Yeah.
networks.
Manipal
Because,
should have.
yeah, as students, we usually rely on autos and they
yeah.
usually overcharge us. But other than that, it's fine.
And when the auto wala charges you more, what do? Do you negotiate or?
Yes, we try
Yeah, we do.
negotiating, but it's of no use. Otherwise, they say that will not take you, and we don't have any other option other than owning vehicles ourselves.
So do you guys own vehicles?
No.
We don't.
Cycle or scooty or what food do you crave the most?
Mutton biryani.
Same. I mean, Kolkata's biryani is very unique, so we don't get it here or anywhere else. So I miss actually a lot of food, like pani puri and stuff like that.
And how is your relationship with the locals here? Like, do they help or how the locals are?
Mostly indifferent, I would say, towards students. But otherwise, if you go forward and ask, think they do help. Yeah.
They are nice
They are
people.
nice.
They always help.
I remember that a friend of mine had come to visit and we had gotten on a bus to reach to a beach, but we did not know how to reach there, and like we had to stop in the middle and then take an auto and go. We did not know that, so we just simply asked that where should we get off or something, and the guy guided us throughout the entire process that you should get down here, you'll get an auto there, go there, and like he did not need to, but he helped us throughout the entire process.
Yesterday, I was coming back from Tiger Circle, so it was very crowded in the bus. So that lady, she was sitting there. She just asked me, ki, should I hold your bag? So it was very nice.
Has coming to Manipal changed your relationship with your family?
Yes, in a good way, I think. I personally was very coddled, and my parents were like, don't go there, don't go here. But coming to Manipal, I have learned a lot of things. I have learned to do things myself, learned to take more decisions myself.
So you have
I think
become
my-
independent.
and my parents trust me more also. Okay, now she can handle few things.
Same thing. They think I'm responsible. I'm living outside.
How is the situation outside? Like, how do you stay outside? Can you tell us about that?
So not much different than hostel, I
Hostel,
think,
huh.
because our hostel campus is very convenient, I'd say. So it's not much difference, just that we don't have to punch in and out at night. And otherwise we get to learn a lot of things, like we're cooking ourselves, we have to keep the house clean, we have to get things fixed, so we are learning those things. So I think that's the biggest
So
difference.
adulting before adulting.
Yeah, sort of a trial period.
Hostel mein to we were very carefree.
We did not have to think
Yeah.
about a lot of things.
So you guys were in hostel till what time?
Fourth
Till fourth year.
Till fourth year. So
Yeah.
final year
Final
you
year
wanted to
shifted
move out.
out.
Why did you
Because we wanted to experience
staying
this.
alone?
Yeah.
Outside
Because
campus.
Outside.
we're big group of friends, so we wanted to stay together in one flat, cook together. So for that kind of an experience.
So any like fights are not happening after moving out?
Very trivial fights that why did you not clean this or that? Just a small subscribe to the channel.
Manipal things.
So now we know that almost everybody misses something from their hometown when they come to Manipal. For some, it's food, for some, it's language, and for some, it's the familiarity. Manipal gives you the freedom very quickly, but freedom and comfort are not the same.
My name is Subhashri. I am from Delhi.
I'm Sanika. I'm from Mumbai and I'm studying BRK as well. 5th year. We are almost graduated now.
Do you think a stranger here who comes to Manipal for the first time, can they survive here if they are socially introvert?
I think initially they can, but I feel with time they will find their people. It's not, nobody here is alone. With time they find people who are like them and they get mingled with others, and I think they'll be fine. And
I used to jump around from group to group because I wouldn't find the people that I mingled with more. So once I found them, so that was just good enough. So I was like, I don't need to.
it will take some time, but then you eventually meet
find,
your people, and it's nice when you meet them. You might get indulged into friendship breakups as well during the time, but then you'll be happy in the end.
Do you think in Manipal friendships are genuine or like they are convenience based?
We have seen both. We all are like lucky enough to have
Genuine
friendship, but we have have that experience of a convenience based friendship.
As girls, what do you feel like? Is Manipal safe?
I think over these 5 years the safety has reduced. We used to feel a lot of safer before, mainly because we were in campus, so the whole day we used to be in campus only. Even if we went out at night, it was pretty safe, but I feel from past 1 or 1.5 year, it's a bit I don't know. Unsafe.
Because we have heard few instances where,
people have like
intruders
stalked.
coming in. Intruders would come in separate houses. So
Like people being followed, majorly girls being followed by. So the thing is that earlier when I mentioned it was majorly safe, that was because all the clubs had only students and couple entries. Later on, I don't know what happened, but a few creeps were also there in the club, so they were not students.
I think travelers as well. So I think that is also one thing.
Outsiders.
Because
Students
now
never do this. Even a guy or a girl, be it anyone from any institute in this university, they are very respectful about your boundaries. So we never had any bad experience from a student.
And what is one advice that you would want to give any fresher who is coming to Manipal?
Come here, have fun, make a lot of friends, be careful as well, study also, like do everything, be happy.
And have you been on any outdoor organized activities?
We haven't been, but I know of an organization called Move Community. They have organized a lot of treks or beat runs. So it's a run club. So they are organized marathons around the beach and all. And then there's also this paddler come here, which is a pickleball court.
Or anything else?
Kayaking, you guys went, no? There are a lot of adventure activities happen most of the time. This in Malpe Beach only you'll see a lot of surfing also.
Surfing and kayaking is there, and
some water sports are also there.
Although you have a great network of friends here now that you have established, but do you ever felt lonely in Manipal?
I don't
never.
No.
I never.
Never felt.
Some way or the other, somebody would be there all the time.
Okay, so activity based, if I say the MIT campus, since we were there for 4 years, has a lot of sports arenas and different things. You have gyms also in Manipal, so you have something to do. But apart from that, since we have such good friends, so I think they also play a major part in this.
Even in campus, you're not feeling good in your room, let's suppose, and you want to go out, step out in SP. SP only is so lively all the time, and you'll find somebody or the other who you know from your class or somewhere.
Subscribe to the channel
Manipal Things.
Hi, my name is Vaibhavi and I'm from Patna. I'm a fashion designer. I graduated last year. I came here to just meet my friends.
My name is Sangamitra. I'm from Chennai. I'm a final year BR student.
Have you interacted with local people here at Manipal?
On a regular basis, we do like auto and all that. Like,
How do you find the auto prices here?
actually, I'm from Chennai. So I find it better than there. Chennai, they quote a lot of like the price is too high, the range is too high. So it's better here, I feel like.
And what do you think how important it is for a newcomer in Manipal to know Kannada, Tulu or the basic local etiquettes?
It is important because sometimes when we have to bargain with the auto drivers or even like shop owners, it is very easy to bargain if we know the language, and if we do it in Hindi or English, maybe they won't understand it.
If you had to rate the locals 1 out of 10 on their friendliness, how much would it be?
8, 9, 8. Yeah.
8 to 9.
It's good. I think they're very friendly. They know that it's a student town and they help us accordingly, and they don't judge us much. It's a very free environment.
Any instance that you faced in public with a local where they helped you or they did not help you?
Usually in bus routes and stuff, they help us a lot.
Yeah.
That's how in these kind of transportation or food shops, in this only we interact with them, and they do help us a lot.
They do.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the cleanliness of Manipal?
I would say definitely 9 to 10.
9 out of 10. Yes, 9 or 10 on 10. I think Manipal is kept very clean. Rainy season is the main season here. We don't see much mud or any other garbage thrown here and there. They keep it very clean for us.
In this weather, like when now monsoon is coming, how the auto prices, like are they same or do they go high or like?
They do go high, but I think when it rains, they charge a bit more, and if it gets like after 10 o'clock, they'll charge a bit more. It's a bit
There are a lot of
too much
rules.
for us. Yeah, there are.
What are the rules? Can you
rules
enlighten
are
our
saying,
viewers?
After 10, they charge 1/3 more.
Yeah, they do, and depending on the distance also, like they will add on to 20, 30, maybe 50 more. So
50 more.
it
And,
can, if you're coming from
additional
Udupi,
person if they are coming.
if
20,
like one
there are
more
4
person has to
people.
tag along, so
3 is the maximum allowed. But then if we want one more
Fourth person. to
fourth
come.
person to come, we have to pay extra, and it is 20. But few auto drivers charge more than that.
So are there any line autos in Manipal?
line as in?
Like there will be an auto going and you just stop it and stop them and jump on the auto, and there will already be a person, so you have to share it,
shared
like
one.
shared ones or
If
the
we know the
pool ones.
person, maybe if they let us tag along, but I don't think shared auto concept is
If
here.
there is a person already there, we cannot stop the auto.
We cannot stop that, and the
they
auto
don't
won't stop.
Exactly, and that is why I think the prices are also higher, because I think in my place there are shared autos, so the prices are like much cheaper than here.
And has any local given you a lift out of kindness?
No.
We have not taken also, we have not encouraged that. We have booked our own autos or like.
Do you find Manipal safe as girls? Like
Yes.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how
It
much
is
would you
safe.
It is safe, 10 out of 10 it is safe, because we can just go out at night. We don't have to worry about what we're wearing also. They don't judge us or like
Pass comments or
exactly.
anything. It's
No eve teasing or any
No, nothing.
such things like that.
there is more freedom here, and safe freedom here
Exactly.
that you don't find anywhere else.
Have you participated in any outdoor organized activities like beach cleaning or kayaking or trekking or anything such
Kayaking and trekking we have. Beach cleaning, no.
Can you tell us your experience? How was it? Like, what did you do?
Kayaking was actually very fun. Like I think it was my first time. They gave like a 10 minutes training for us to hold the paddle and everything. It was a very good experience overall. When we went there, we were struggling in the starting, obviously, but then
And do you miss anything from your hometown which is not here in Manipal?
I would say it's just mainly food and public transportation. Otherwise, this is a very good place. It has become a home itself.
food for sure, and the weather. I think we have winters there and there's no winter here.
here. I love winter so.
What advice would you want to give a newcomer who is coming to Manipal?
Just interact with people. You can make so many friends here. Those friends will be helpful to you like at any point. You can call them at night. If you know people here, it's the best place to live.
And just have fun, I think.
Just have fun. Just
Yeah.
live your 4 years. Enjoy, explore, do whatever you want to do. Subscribe to the channel Manipal Things.
Most people in Manipal feel that locals are helpful, but they are distant at first. And locals can make out very quickly that whether you treat Manipal as a hometown or as a playground. अरे आई एम थिंकिंग यू स्टैंड दिस आ जाइए इधर आ जाइए। कितने साल से यहाँ पे ऑटो चला रहे हैं?
मैं कम से कम 12 साल से ऑटो चला रहा हूँ।
एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा बताइए स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, लोकल्स।
स्टूडेंट भी अच्छे है, ऐसा तो नहीं है, सब लोग अच्छा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। लेकिन कभी कभी जो भाषा का जो है ना, वो उन लोग को नहीं आता, हम लोग को ज़्यादा हिंदी
कन्नड़ा नहीं आता है उनको। अच्छा,
मतलब इतने मैं मुंबई में था 10 साल।
अच्छा मुंबई में थे 10 साल, फिर यहाँ आए।
नहीं, यहाँ का मेरा गाँव है
मणिपाल से।
हाँ, मणिपाल।
और स्टूडेंट्स लोग बार्गेन करते हैं कि पैसा कम करो?
नहीं, वो लोग ऐसा तो नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा गैस का प्रॉब्लम की वजह से थोड़ा रेट बढ़ गया है, गैस का भी बढ़ गया, उसके वजह से हम लोग जितना भाड़ा ले रहे थे उससे 10 रुपए ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं। तो उन लोग को भी मालूम है, हम लोग जब पहले बैठने टाइम में उसको बोल देते हैं ऐसा है, तो वो लोग उसके बारे में कोई ये नहीं करते।
स्टूडेंट्स बैठ के आप पीछे में कभी कुछ ऐसा किए जो आपको लगा कि अच्छा नहीं है या सही नहीं है, फिर फनी लगा या कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं है। बच्चे लोग जब जंगबाजी में उतर जाते हैं ना, इसकी वजह से कुछ भी आइटम गाड़ी में रह जाता है, छूट जाता है। व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है हमारा।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि जो भी आइटम मिल जाता है तो हम लोग ग्रुप में डाल देते हैं, ऐसा आइटम मिला है, तभी हम लोग ग्रुप में डालते हैं ना। आप लोग को मालूम पड़ा मेरा ऑटो में छूट गया, तो आप तुरंत आके कोई भी ऑटो मणिपाल का स्टैंड में, वो ऑटो वालों को पूछो हमारा कुछ सामान छूट गया, कोई ग्रुप में डाला, वो देखेगा ग्रुप खोल के, वो ग्रुप में रहता है तो आपको बता देगा ऐसा ऐसा आदमी का ऐसा ऐसा ऑटो का नंबर है। जो मैसेज डाला हुआ उसका नाम तो उसमें नंबर तो आता ही है, तुरंत उधर से फोन करेगा तो आपको वो सामान मिल जाएगा।
कहाँ से लेना है सामान?
कोई भी ऑटो वालों को
अच्छा, कोई भी ऑटो में आके बात करें।
एक बात और एक बात है कि अभी मैं सामान मिला मेरे को, मैं कहीं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, कोई बैग हो, कुछ भी लैपटॉप हो, मोबाइल हो, तो मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ तो मैं तुरंत आके ये माहिती केंद्र, हमारा यूनियन का ऑफिस है, हम लोग यहाँ दे देते हैं।
अच्छा, ये एरिया का नाम क्या है?
टाइगर सर्कल।
टाइगर सर्कल का
ये सक्कर स्टैंड का ऑटो ऑफिस है,
ऑटो ऑफिस,
यूनियन का ऑफिस है। देखो ये ऐसा ग्रुप है हमारा।
ये
देखो ये आईडी, देखो ये आईडी मिला, एयरपोर्ट मिला, ऐसा हम लोग फोटो डाल के डाल देता।
18 स्टैंड है टोटल।
18 स्टैंड है टोटल, 18-20 स्टैंड है, अभी 2 स्टैंड हो गए, मणिपाल का ही है। तो हर ऑटो में एक स्टिकर है मणिपाल यूनियन का, देखिए सामने जो एग्जाम्पल में एक स्टिकर है, वो ऑटो सब मणिपाल का। देखो अभी वो क्लास के ऊपर देख स्टिकर दिखा है ना, वो देखो इधर भी है, वो ऐसा वाला स्टिकर रहता है हमारा ऑटो में।
और मणिपाल आपको कैसा लगता है? यहाँ का खाना,
बहुत अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा बोलता हूँ कि मणिपाल से जो हमारा मणिपाल बोल के नहीं किया, और साउथ का जो हमारा उड़पी का जो भी साउथ का है बहुत अच्छा है। मंदिर हो, जो बीच हो, तो वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बुराई कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें बोलने के, बहुत अच्छा है।
और आपको कुछ चेंज लाना हो अगर मणिपाल का ऑटो सिस्टम में या कुछ में, तो क्या चेंज?
ऐसा सेम तो हमारा यूनियन है, वो यूनियन के जैसा बोलता है वैसा हम लोग चलते हैं, कि हमारा कोई कानून नहीं बना। लेकिन हमारा ऑटो में जो भी हमारा ऑटो का जो भी सदस्य है वो सब लोग अच्छा है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि बुराई है, सब लोग अच्छा है।
यहाँ पे आपने सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कहाँ तक गए? मणिपाल से सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस जो लंबा गए?
लंबा बोले तो हम लोग पड़बिद्रे तक, वो हमारा लास्ट बॉर्डर है। इससे आगे जाने का हमारा अलाउड नहीं है। नहीं, हम लोग मीटर डालते हैं। पहले तो मीटर में जितना गिरता था उतना ही लेते थे, अभी गैस का भाव एकदम बढ़ गया, उसके वजह से हम मीटर डालते 10-20 रुपये ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं। इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं, हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पड़बिद्रे जाता तो अप एंड डाउन ही बढ़ा रहता, क्योंकि वो जाएगा तो वापस आना ही पड़ेगा ना उसको, तो वहाँ गाड़ी नहीं मिलती। कुछ ऐसा जगह भी है कि जो मट्टू बीच है, ऐसा कुछ जगह है वहाँ गाड़ी नहीं मिलती वापस आने के लिए। रात का टाइम में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, आप लोग हम 2-3 घंटा खड़ा रहेगा, तो वापस वही गाड़ी में से रिटर्न आ जाए, हम लोग यही जाके रिटर्न छोड़ देते हैं लोग।
और सबको यहाँ पे जो मणिपाल में नए आते हैं वो बोलते हैं कि ऑटो का इतना ज़्यादा प्राइस है, इतना
प्राइस तो ज़्यादा है, लेकिन क्या मालूम अभी देखिए हमारा जो मीटर का रेट है वो 5-6 साल पहले का रेट है, जो मिनिमम 40 रुपये दिया है और किलोमीटर में 20 रुपये दिया है। वो 5 साल हो गया, 5 साल के ऊपर हो गया, अभी तक रेट बढ़ा है नहीं। एक बात और एक बात है कि गैस का जो प्राइस है, पहले जो गैस का प्राइस था 60 रुपीज़ है, अभी 120 हो गया, 1 to डबल। अभी सोचो जो 5 साल का रेट में वही रेट में हम लोग अभी जाएगा तो हम लोग को कैसे पड़ेगा। और एक बात की गैस का प्रॉब्लम, जो एलपीजी गैस जो है वो बराबर मिलता ही नहीं है।
हाँ.
हर पंप में एक बार आएगा तो 2-3 बार नहीं आता, 2-3 नहीं मिलता। मतलब यहाँ मणिपाल में 24 आवर्स ऑटो मिलता है।
24
हाँ, 24 आवर्स है। Subside to Manipal Street.
Aspects like geography, rain, late night movements, and student dependency, they all affect the auto pricing. Some students talk about auto pricing as veterans talk about trauma. But on the other side, Manipal being a small town and the competition that they face, we need to respect their livelihood and the price tags. Manipal is built around student culture, but students are temporary and locals are the ones who experience every batch, every trend, every chaos and every celebration. So let's ask, what is it like living around student culture every day?
I'm Akshita. I'm from Manipal. I'm an associate professor in Manipal School of Architecture and Planning.
Ma'am, can you rate the cleanliness of Manipal out of 10?
Out of 10, I think 8.
And do you think students of Manipal help it make cleaner or dirtier?
Students of Manipal are really good. I don't know what happens to the roads. Other than that, I think they are good.
Okay. And over the past 10 years of your stay, what do you think? Has Manipal become cleaner or dirtier?
Slowly becoming dirtier.
Okay.
Yes.
Why do you think so?
I think few places open gutters and drain, and some littering is happening. But other than that, all main roads are good. Construction works are happening more. So that also is making Manipal dirtier.
Dirtier.
Yeah.
And ma'am, what do you think how important it is for a newcomer to learn Tulu, Kannada and basic local etiquettes?
For a newcomer, local etiquettes is very important, definitely, because you are staying in a place and you have to be a part of it. But apart from that, language is not a barrier here. Everybody knows Kannada, I mean, the Hindi and English.
Yeah.
It's
So it's not a problem for
I don't
any
think so.
newcomer.
Yeah.
What do you think students have done over the past 10 years that you feel is very interesting?
They've been doing it for a long time. We have some purposeful marathons, beach cleaning, kidathon, hackathon, so many things are there.
Ma'am, and do you think students have changed in the past 10 years?
No, I don't think so.
They are
They're
the same.
always there.
Okay.
The generation is changing, but they are normal.
And ma'am, what qualities do locals want that this should be there in the students? Like they appreciate those qualities in students.
Local etiquettes, I think, is very important in students. And when you're with us, be one of us. Don't overdo things, maybe. I'm sorry for the frank opinion. I feel overdo things, and people here are more grounded and rooted. And students from Manipal are a lot.
Ma'am, do you think that Manipal students have helped Manipal become more alive?
Yes, of course. I mean, don't have any comments on that. Because of them, the whole city is vibrant. Yes, they have.
And ma'am, one advice or something like you would like to suggest the students coming to Manipal?
Be students. You know, this is for you to study. This time is for you to study. Focus on studies. Subscribe to Manipal Thinks.
So I'm Komal Jaiswal. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I have been working here as assistant professor in architecture department. People here are very helpful usually. So in the beginning days when I came here around 8 years back. So when I came here, a lot of auto wala guys were very helpful. They took me to different places, waited for me, or although they were asking for good amount of money, but they were helpful, they were supportive, they were there because I was new to this place. I had I didn't make even friends. I'm talking about the early few days. So they were very helpful.
And what is something which you miss from your hometown which is not there in Manipal?
I think I miss charts mostly. I come from north, and for most of my lifetime I have spent in north, different places in north, and I have had variety of very good charts, and I completely miss that here. And I have been trying that to find good spots. But
what is that one thing which you think Manipal can never replace?
I think that charts, the charts and chola bhaturas, or the North Indian cuisine. South Indian cuisine is amazing, but yeah, charts.
How would you rate Manipal's cleanliness 1 out of 10?
Cleanliness, most of the places are mostly clean, so I would say 9ish or so. But yeah, 1 or 2 places will find it's dirty, but yeah, most of the places are very clean.
Which area in Manipal do you think needs an immediate cleanliness drive?
Under the Manvi, where we have the Hyderabadi tea point, yeah, that place is something that we spend a lot of time, or students spend a lot of time there, and requires immediate cleanliness. The garbage is dumped, and I don't think so it ever gets clean.
What is one thing that you would really miss from your hometown and which is not here in Manipal? Like apart from chaat.
I've enjoyed Manipal, and I think most of it I already have. Apart from my family, I would say my family. If my family comes to Manipal and stays with me, then I think I have a full package.
And has your relationship with your parents changed after you have come to Manipal?
Oh yeah, a lot, because being so far and being busy in work, it gets difficult. Yeah, we hardly speak on calls, like once or twice max in a day or 2 days. So, and I meet them only once or twice in a year. That is something has changed.
When you actually leave Manipal, what would make you miss Manipal the most?
I think Manipal itself is an ecosystem that you enjoy, and made of a lot of different things. The kind of lifestyle that we have, we enjoy each and every place of it. And most importantly, I think the monsoon of Manipal is something that I will clearly miss. Manipal itself, the whole package is amazing.
And if you had to rate the Manipal weather on a scale of 1 to 10?
The summers feel extremely difficult because humidity and heat combined becomes very difficult. But I love the rains. It's amazing. It's just waiting for the monsoons to come. The monsoons is going to get good marks that way.
If there is a newcomer coming to Manipal, what advice would you want to give them that they should
try to learn Kannada as soon as possible? That's the one advice. And do bring the umbrella with you, because you'll need it, either it's heat or the rain.
Do you find the auto rides in Manipal expensive?
Oh yes, definitely. I think they charge too much for even a smallest or the very shortest nearest.
What are the hacks that students or the newcomers can use to avoid the expensive auto rides?
Learn Kannada. Try to walk through shortest distance. There are a lot of shortcuts inside the campus. Otherwise, bring your own vehicle. That would be a best solution. Subscribe to the channel Manipal Things. Bye-bye.
Since how long you have been here in Manipal?
25 years.
25 years?
More than 25 years.
This shop is how long have you started this shop?
The shop is almost 13-14 years.
Who are your customers? More like students, locals?
Actually, local nobody there. I mean, students is more than 95%. I came early for the business, right? This business. So that's why I know about the students, how to do that everything.
And how are the attitude of students?
Students तो अच्छा है, ठीक है. कभी depend to business.
What are the charges? Can you tell our viewers?
Because we all depend to Mahe. Our boss is Mahe only. They only give the price list.
Yes.
So
they give the price list.
Yeah,
to
they
you.
give the price list. So that much only take to that.
Manipal
तो अच्छा है, very beautiful. Yeah, started from my school finished, then I started laundry only.
Okay.
Students was very well, no problem. बच्चे मतलब बच्चे जैसे करता है. कभी-कभी मैं तो जोक मार के उसके पास बात करता हूँ अच्छे से. वो छुट्टी पे जाते हैं, छुट्टी के आने के बाद कैसे छुट्टी ऊपर पूछता रहता है. ये सीजन पे आपको बताया ना कैसे हीट हो जाएगा. Hot है, very hot too. Within 2 months, and also clean is very well.
Okay.
So campus clean is very well. There's no point in other. बाकी तो security, campus safety, student safety, good. Everything good for that Manipal. But number one is the teaching. Teaching is very well. You know, right? A pharmacy, whatever BDS, MBBS, MAT, कुछ भी किसी के पास students के पास पूछ लो. So वो तो really good answer for that teaching.
Manipal is one of the cleanest towns I have ever come across. But there are few pockets where the concept of cleanliness is just thrown to the dustbin. The locals seem to agree on one thing, that the students make the Manipal life interesting, lively and economically active. But the student culture seem to forget one thing, that Manipal is not just a campus, it's also someone's hometown. Maybe that's why Manipal stays in people's memory because it's not just fun. It's emotionally intensive. People come here as a stranger. They come here, they adapt, they struggle, they complain about the rain, they complain about the prices, they complain about the auto fares even. But then one day, Manipal becomes a part of their life. Now, we want your honest opinion on what do you think is the most underrated part of living in Manipal. Do you like making friends in Manipal or do you feel lonely? And how do you manage with the auto price? And subscribe to our channel if you want more such in-depth video on the real life and culture of Manipal. Thank you and see you next time.